Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now, a couple weeks ago, we sprayed a car in this ultra sparkle glitter that we found on Amazon. And that stuff was insane. It gave us by far the most sparkly, the most metallic finish that we've ever gotten. Way crazier than even the microflakes that we use. So as soon as we put that video up, requests started coming in on how we can modify and enhance the finish of that car. And as expected, a lot of people wanted us to spray a candy concentrate right over the Ultra Sparkle glitter. So that's what we're doing today. We have House of Color Cobalt Blue candy concentrate going over the glitter. Now I have two questions. One, are we going to maintain that incredible holographic effect through the candy concentrate? Two, if we don't have the holographic effect, are we going to get any of that sparkle at all? My prediction, the candy concentrate is going to for sure suffocate the holographic effect and probably most of the sparkle as well. But either way, it's worth trying. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. And remember my predictions? One, I said the holographic effect was going to be completely gone. Two, most of the sparkle was gone as well. Well, that shows that after even 10 years of doing this, I still have no idea what I'm talking about. I think you guys are going to be surprised by the end result. I definitely was. One thing I want to get out there, though, before we take a look at the car, we had no idea how much surface texture this Ultra Sparkle glitter added to this car until the candy went on top. I knew it was an extremely large particle glitter. I knew that we put a lot of it on there, but there is Definitely more texture on the surface of this car than I would prefer. This is probably not a project you should replicate on your own. Either way, if you want to dip your car, click right up here. A ton of colors and kits to choose from. I hope you guys like the end result as much as I did. Were you correct on your prediction? Because I wasn't. I'll see you guys on the next video. Cobalt blue candy concentrate right over the Ultra Sparkle glitter. Now, two questions I have. One, are we going to maintain the crazy holographic effect of the glitter? Two, whether or not we got any holographic effect, really, because of how metallic and how sparkly it was in the sun. But I will confirm, as soon as that candy went on, we realized how much texture, fucking whatever. When we went into this project, we had no idea how much texture the Ultra Sparkle, what the fuck was it called? Ultra what?